Welcome to GoodWe Training Series. Today we will take you through the BAT50kWh unboxing and installation. Unboxing. BAT50kWh package includes one bracket box, one PCU box and N battery boxes. First we open the bracket box. These are all the accessories that come in the bracket box. Then we open the PCU box. These are all the accessories in the box. Introduction of the battery. The battery length is 543 millimeters. Width is 520 millimeters and height is 18-15 millimeters. Take a look at the appearance of PCU from different views. The front of PCU. There are many ports. Installation of the battery. First we install the bracket. Install the bottom and top brackets separately. Each bracket is labeled with a serial number for easy identification. Install the bracket as shown in the video. Installation of 4 fixed foot cups. Screws are required to secure the brackets to each other. After the bracket was installed, we proceeded to the pack installation. Single pack weighs 42.5 kilograms. Multi-person installation or forklift-assisted installation is recommended. Insert the pack into the slot between the brackets. Push the pack forward until the holes are aligned. Install all packs into the bracket. The pack is then fully secured to the bracket with screws. Next we install the PCU. Install the PCU into the slot on the top of the bracket and secure it with the screws. Take out the power cable. Connect the negative terminal of the previous pack to the positive terminal of the next pack. Need to hear click when installing power cable. Next we install the power cable between the PCU and the pack. Connect the positive terminal of the first battery to the PCU. Take out the other black power cable. Connect the negative terminal of the last pack to the PCU. Take out the cable ties and secure the black power cable for a better look. Next we install the communication cable. As you can see in the video, we started by connecting the PCU to the first pack. The packs are then connected to each other with separate communication cables. Take out the other communication cable in the accessory box. One end is connected to the COM port of the BAT50kWh. The other end we need to connect to the communication port of the inverter. Lastly, don't forget the ground wire. Open DC breaker. The machine will be up and running. Configuration via SolarGo. First we open the SolarGo app. We use Bluetooth to establish a connection with the inverter signal. Enter the password 1111. Once on the main page, we click on Settings. Click Quick Settings. Enter the password 1111. When you enter the system, you can see some parameters. Click Next to select the battery model. The working mode can be selected after the battery is connected. Click Start to allow the system to test itself. A quick setup at this point is complete. Thank you for watching. For more installation and configuration videos of GoodWe Training Series, please visit our GoodWe community and stay tuned to our official account.